Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a cup of cocoa. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the top of the mug. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw like an oval shape. I'm going to curve out and then I'm just going to go across and then I'm just going to kind of curve back a little bit like this. Now, starting right here, what I want to do is I'm just going to draw a little curved line that just kind of comes right around there, and then I'm just going to go straight down like this. And then I want to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to start just right above this line, and I'm just going to curve it around, and then I'm just going to draw a nice line down, and I want to kind of make sure that they're even. Now, starting right here at this line, I'm going to draw down a little bit more, and then I'm just going to kind of curve this in, and I'm going to curve it all the way over to this line right over here. Just kind of make sure these are connected. Now, starting over here, I want to make the handle for the mug. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out, and then I'm just going to kind of curve it in like this. So it just kind of goes out and then comes back down. Then I'm going to draw that same shape, just taller. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw that line. I'm going to make it go out, and then it's just going to kind of curve down to here for the handle. Now I want to add a couple little details in here. So starting right here, I want to make like a little candy cane shape or peppermint stick kind of sticking out of this. So right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go straight up. And then I'm going to draw a curved line on top of this. So it kind of looks like a little hook. And then I'm going to draw a line that just goes down like this. Then I'm going to put a little curved line like this. And then right inside of, at the bottom here, I'm just going to make a little kind of curved line at the bottom to show where it's sitting in the cocoa. Now I want to add a couple marshmallows in here too. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a little oval shape like this, real skinny. And then I'm going to draw two lines going down. And then I'm just going to put a little curved line right underneath it. Then I want to put another one up here. So I'm going to draw another oval right over here. I'm going to draw a line down here, and then a line right down here. And then I'm just going to put a little curved line right here. Now I want to connect these lines. So starting here, I'm just going to kind of jump over this, draw a curved line to here, and then just a little line right there. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm just going to draw a line right to about here, and then this line is going to go right to about there. Now, starting right here, right where I made this curve, I'm going to draw another small curved line underneath of it, and then a little line over here, and then it's just going to continue over here, just to kind of show where the cocoa is sitting inside of the coffee cup. Now, on our little peppermint stick here, I'm just going to make a couple little curved lines like this, and this is just going to kind of be the little stripes on the peppermint. Now, right above this, you guys can add some other things such as like steam. Now to draw steam, it's really easy. I'm just going to make a couple little squiggly lines like this. And then I'm just going to kind of redraw those squiggly lines. Then I'm going to put another one here. I'm going to keep this one a little bit lower. And then I'll draw one more right here. Now, you can always leave your cup like this, or you could always add some more details. You could add like a face or different things on there, kind of whatever you want. If you want to add a face, it's real easy. Just right down here, make a couple big circles. And then you can add some eyes in there. You can do, a couple circles inside of here like this. And then you could color in the inside. You could add a little happy mouth in there. You can make the mouth open. Put a little tongue in there. There's lots of things you guys can do. You could add some little eyebrows above it. Whatever you guys want to make. But there you go. There is your drawing of a cup of cocoa. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.